It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Bib collection. Alright, bib collection done. Dapat baju. Itu goodies bag, is it? Dan bib. Tengok lihat ya. Merchandise. Print distance.
Lingam je.
Apa bicara dengan dia?
transition zone.
Which I'm going to share with you not only for now for this race but generally. Saya nak share satu tips ya. Mana Fakhruddin tadi? Dia datang hilang. Kita punya champion SEA Games ni. Okey, tak apa. Siapa top dekat sini? Ada? Mana? Standing, you're gonna tumbang. If you sit down with your head up, lean against the wall, also tumbang. Because your blood flow is going from here to down. You need the blood flow from bottom to go up. What do? Lie down. Of course, kalau tengah basikal lari, janganlah tengah jalan. Okay, pergi ke tepi sikit, cari tempat yang safe. Lie down, put your legs up against a wall or a tree. Even for 3 or 5 minutes, it makes a lot of difference. Some of the pro trainers or cyclists that I've met before don't know about this. This I'm sharing with you. The word drafting. If you're not drafted before, drafting means you go behind the one person or the whole bunch and becomes a peloton. Kalau tak pernah try, jangan try esok. Tolong jangan try. I know you're gonna save about 30% of your energy, but don't try it, okay? And there's 2 things you need to remember. I know many types of bicycles are here. Those who have the normal bicycle with the drop bar, bicycle road bike, okay? You want a peloton ke, you nak apa ke, go ahead. Those who have the road bike drop bar with the clip-on aero bar, if you're on a peloton, you're not allowed to be on the aero bar. Please remember that. Dilarang on the aero bar kalau dalam peloton. Strictly no, okay? Dah ada dalam peloton, dah save 30% energy, kenapa nak pula nak aero lagi kan? Tak payahlah kan? Unless if you're in front. Betul? Okay? And the third one, the most important, sorry lah, time trial bike dah mahal, dah laju, tak boleh lah nak masuk dalam peloton. Nak pergi depan boleh. And the rest of you nak follow TT bike, by all means follow the TT bike lah, bagi dia orang kerja lebih sikit. But TT bike cannot be at the back at the peloton. Siapa pakai TT bike kat sini?